Welcome to AI for Everyone, Faculty Excellence Edition. This comprehensive course is designed specifically for academic professionals who want to understand, implement, and lead AI transformation in our teaching.
By completing this course, you will be able to explain how AI works and differentiate between hype and reality. You'll identify high-impact AI opportunities specific to your discipline and evaluate AI tools with confidence. This course covers 8 essential modules spanning from AI fundamentals and data science to implementing practical projects and leading institutional transformation. You'll master the difference between narrow and general AI. This course is for any academic who wants to understand AI. We'll meet you where you are, with no prior experience required. Join us in leading responsibly. Upon completing this course, you will have the knowledge and confidence to explain AI capabilities and limitations to any audience. You'll be able to identify and evaluate AI-augmented assignments that enhance learning. For your institution, this course investment delivers measurable returns. Faculty trained in AI implement tools that improve student retention and outcomes, directly impacting enrollment and reputation. This course is brought to you by AI Ladder Academy, a premier provider of AI education and professional development. Our mission is to empower educators to lead transformation and shape the future of learning. The future of education is being shaped right now. You're becoming a catalyst for transformation. The time to act is now. Enroll in AI for Everyone, Faculty Excellence Edition today. This course introduction was presented by AI Ladder Academy to give you a glimpse into your learning journey. We've designed this path for your success. Now, let's dive into the first lesson.